My dear students, given identify the compounds A, B and C in the following reaction. Given alkyl bromide is given, alkyl bromides reacts with the magnesium diether, then it gives Grignard reagent CH3MgBr. Now Grignard reagent reacts with the carbon dioxide C double bond O double bond. So Grignard reagent reacts with carbon dioxide, then it gives carboxylic acids. How? Break the bond between alkyl group and magnesium. Magnesium gets positive charge, alkyl group gets negative charge. Break the bond between carbon and oxygen. Oxygen gets negative charge, carbon gets positive charge. Negatively charged carbon is moves towards positively charged carbon side. Then CH3, C, double bond O, OMgBr, which on hydrolysis H plus OH minus, which on hydrolysis gives carboxylic acids CH3COOH. That means remember, Grignard reagent reacts with carbon dioxide, which on further hydrolysis gives carboxylic acids. Now the carboxylic acid reacts with the alcohol CH3OH in acidic medium. Carboxylic acids reacts with alcohol. Carboxylic acids reacts with alcohols. The reaction is called as esterification reaction. Alcohols reacts with carboxylic acids or acid chlorides or acid anhydride, then it gives esters. In this process, alcohol loses H plus ion and carboxylic acids loses OH minus ions. Then final compound is CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Now C is CH3COO CH3. So third option is correct option. In the conversion of acetylene to acetic acid, what is the intermediate compound? Conversion of acetylene to acetic acid. Acetylene undergoes acidic hydrolysis, reacts with Hg2 plus HgSO4, acidic hydrolysis. Add water molecule to given alkyne, follows Markovnikov's rule, then it gives CH2 double bond CHOH. It gives enol. We know that enols are participate towards tautomerism process. Undergoes tautomerism. Proton is migrated, pi bond is shifted towards oxygen side, then it gives CH3CHO. Aldehydes undergoes oxidation, then it gives carboxylic acid CH3COOH. So what is the reaction intermediate? The reaction intermediate is acetaldehyde. What is B? Okay. Benzene reacts with oleum, then electrophilic substitution reaction takes place and it gives benzene sulfonic acid C6H5 SO3H. Benzene sulfonic acid. Now the benzene sulfonic acid reacts with NaOH. Acid base reaction takes place and it gives C6H5 O Na, phenoxide ion, which is further reacts with H plus, then it gives phenol. Here remember one point. The point is when sulfonic acid, benzene sulfonic acid with NaOH, and further heating then sulfonate group is replaced by oxide group. Remember this point. No, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Now question is identify B in the chemical reaction. Phenoxide ion. Lucas reagent is used to distinguish 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohols. If 3 degree alcohols reacts with Lucas reagent, then it gives turbidity immediately. 2 alcohols reacts with Lucas reagent, turbidity is formed. After 5 to 10 minutes. 1 degree alcohol plus Lucas reagent, no reaction takes place. Alcohols reacts with iodine in the presence of red phosphorus. Then OH group is replaced by iodine and it gives alkyl halide CH3CH2I. Alkyl halides reacts with magnesium in the presence of dry ether. Then it gives Grignard reagent CH3CH2MgI. CH3CH2MgI reacts with a 1 degree amine, then it gives ethane. CH3 bond CH3. How? Remember one pointer. Grignard reagent reacts with active hydrogen containing compounds. Active hydrogen containing compounds, then product is alkane. Examples for active hydrogen containing compounds. The examples are if Grignard reagent reacts with water, then alkane is the product. Grignard reagent reacts with alcohol. Grignard reagent reacts with ammonia. Grignard reagent reacts with carboxylic acid. Grignard reagent reacts with 1 degree amine. Then product is alkane. This active hydrogen containing compounds releases hydrogen atoms. In Grignard reagent, alkyl group is present. The alkyl group is combines with the hydrogen atom and it gives the corresponding alkane. In organic analysis, the reagent 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine is used for the detection for the which of the following functional group. 2,4 DNP reagent is also called as Brady's reagent. Generally, carbonyl compounds gives positive test. Carbonyl compounds, that is aldehydes and ketones. Here given aldehyde is given, so third option is correct option. Correct statement among the following. Formic acid gives positive Tollens reagent test. This is correct statement. Formic acid HCOOH. HCOOH. Take this part, it is look like carboxylic acid, COOH group. Now take this part, this is look like CHO, aldehyde. Remember, formic acid is not a true carboxylic acid. The reason it gives positive tolerance test. Ethanol and propanol. Ethanol formula CH3 CHOH H. Yes. Compound with CH3 CHOH gives positive iodoform test. Propanone. Propanone is a methyl ketone. Methyl ketones is also gives positive iodoform test. By using iodoform test, we can't distinguish ethanol and propanone. Propane 1-ol turns blue litmus to red. No, it is weak alcohol. That's the reason it does not use litmus paper test. Propane reacts with bromine water. No, propane is a saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbons does not react with bromine water. Alcoholic compounds reacts with cetic ammonium nitrate. Remember one point. Alcohols gives positive cetic ammonium nitrate test. Gives a dash coloration due to formation of complex red or reddish pink. Not pink, red or reddish pink. What is the complex? Which complex is formed? If alcoholic groups reacts with cetic ammonium nitrate, then it gives CeNO3 taken 4 times, ROH taken 3 times complex. Reagent contains. Lucas reagent is a mixture of anhydrous ZnCl2 and concentrated HCl. So fourth option is correct option. Phenols gives colored complexes with neutral ferric chloride solution. For example, phenol gives a complex of violet color. Remember the color also. The violet color complex is, yes, just now we discussed alcohols gives cetic ammonium nitrate test. That time it gives a red color complex. Phenols gives neutral FeCl3 test and it gives a violet color complex. The violet color complex is FeC6H5O taken 6 times 3 minus. FeC6H5O taken 6 times 3 minus. Phthalate solution A is an aqueous copper sulfate solution. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Benedict solution is more stable than Phthalate reagent. This is correct. Why? In Benedict solution, sodium citrate is used as a complexing agent. That's the reason Benedict solution is more stable. Phthalate B is a alkaline solution of sodium potassium tartrate. This is also correct. Aromatic aldehydes do not give positive Phthalate test. Correct. Both aldehydes and ketones gives pink color with Skiff's reagent. No, ketones does not reacts with Skiff's test. So the correct answer, incorrect statement is fourth one. Aromatic primary amines can be conformed by azodie test. Here given very clearly, carbylamine test, both aliphatic and aromatic amines gives positive test. Azodie test, only 1 degree aromatic amines gives azodie test. Question is aromatic primary amines. That's the reason azodie test is the correct answer. Aniline reacts with NaNO2 plus HX. Then it gives N2 plus minus. This process is considered as diazotization. It further reacts with a Cu2X2, then it gives C6H5X. This is considered as Sandmeyer's reaction, or it can be also written as ARX. Correct answer, first option. Which of the following reagents are used to prepare acetanilide from aniline? Acetanilide from aniline C6H5NH2. Acetanilide C6H5NH COCH3. This is acetanilide. Acetanilide. IUPAC name is N-phenyl ethanamide. In this, amide functional group is present. Amide functional group is present. Now, we are using here acid anhydride CH3CO taken twice O in the presence of pyridine, or CH3COCl in the presence of pyridine. CO taken twice O pyridine, or CH3COCl in the presence of pyridine. Paranitroacetanilide prepared by the nitration of acetanilide. This reaction mechanism is an example of electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution takes place in aromatic compound. So aromatic electrophilic substitution is correct answer. Para-amino azobenzene can be prepared by rearrangement reaction of, here reaction is given by rearrangement reaction of diazoaminobenzene with small quantity of aniline hydrochloride in the presence of aniline as a solvent. Aldohexose is called glucose. Glucose is a aldohexose. Fructose is ketohexose. Lactose is disaccharide. Even sucrose is also disaccharide. The sugar present in large amounts in ripe grapes is glucose. That's the reason glucose is called grape sugar. Fructose is called fruit sugar. Sucrose is cane sugar. Maltose is malt sugar. Lactose is milk sugar. Which of the following reagent is used to confirm the presence of carbonyl group in glucose? NH2OH is used. HNO3 indicates the presence of 1 degree alcoholic group. Acid anhydride indicates presence of 5 OH groups attached to different carbon atoms. HI, all 6 carbon atoms are linked in a straight chain. The above cyclic hemiacetal, this is a cyclic hemiacetal of alpha D glucose, alpha D plus glucose. Thank you.